everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with attempt number 2 at the walkthrough of my Seaside Summer folio using Doodlebug Seaside Summer. So tried to post this last night. Apparently it was not recording sound. I have no clue why. I don't know. The computer's possessed. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, so let's take a look at this. So if any of you have been into the actual Country Craft Creation store in West Haven, Utah, which is just slightly west of Ogden, Utah, and it's adorable, by the way. If you're passing through, or if you're local and you haven't been up there, you need to go. It's so cute. I had done an album for Tamara when she opened the store that sat in like this little box that I made look like a little farmhouse that said Country Craft Creations on it. It had 2 little beagles on it. But I had done an album that sat inside of it with a craft line that Echo Park came out with last year. So somebody had been in the store and asked if there was a tutorial for that album. I'd always meant to do one, but I didn't write down any measurements. I just had a video of what I had made. So that is this project, just done with, of course, adorable Doodlebug paper. So it is a trifold folio. It is 9 by 9. It has a 1 3/4 inch spine at its widest point. On the front here, I've got a spot for a 4x6 picture. So I've just got this little word collage type phrase sheet that's in the collection that I absolutely adore on the front here, and then I can put a picture on the front. I took some of the solids and some of the 6x6 and just tore it to make my little beach up to my ocean, to my sky, to my, you know, little sunshine and the lighthouse and the drink hut and one of the little things, little beach huts there. Took this odds and ends of the palm tree and actually cut it in half, so I had half and half on each side. Added some puffy stickers, a couple of mini icons, puffy sticker of the little note in the bottle because I love that one. And, you know, there we go for the cover. Cute seashell print there. And then the back side, I've got the one of the plaid print from the collection and one of the stickers from the This and That sticker sheet. Ribbon is just from my stash, so let's open it up. When you open it up, over here on this left inside cover, we've got a waterfall that I ended up adding a cover to make it into, instead, I couldn't find a ribbon that I liked with that particular paper that I had in my stash. So I ended up adding this and a magnet to close it. But just a very simple 5x7 waterfall here. And then I used a doodle pop on the front with some puffy stickers over different elements. So like the sun that's on this cut apart, the sun puffy sticker fits on there perfectly. The palm tree doodle pop fits perfectly on the palm tree on the cut apart. And then I added the little cooler and the surfboard and the little hermit crab and the little seagull just because it's cute, and those puffy stickers are amazing. I can't even tell you. I use lots of them. Okay, so over here we've got just a very simple layout with 4x4 photo mats, some of the chit chat pieces, and one of the palm trees from the Bits and Pieces pack. When we open up this direction, we've got a very large box pocket on this side. It is just kind of random as far as how the matting went there, just because that's the mood I was in at the point that I was matting this little guy. So very simple, holds a ton of stuff. I'm actually thinking I might make an insert to go in here, but we'll see how it goes in the next few days if that happens. More chit chat pieces here, odds and ends, and then this is one of the cut aparts. In the middle, I've got the odds and ends and a couple of puffy stickers to just kind of build a little scene on the bottom of my frame. The frame itself, I've got a nice big photo mat that you could put a few pictures on here. You could add extra odds and ends as decoration when you put pictures on there if you wanted to. I honestly I might actually put pictures in this one because I have a bunch of pictures from couple of different Disney cruises that would be awesome for this. And I've also got pictures from a Tahiti cruise from like 18 years ago. Except the pictures are not as good because the cameras were not as good back then. And I can't decide. I don't know. We'll see. If I end up putting pictures in it, I will definitely do a walkthrough because that is like unheard of for me. All right, so you flip this up. We've got a 5x7 photo mat and two 3x4 photo mats. And again, just odds and ends and one little piece of chit chat just to kind of scene build again. These are, of course, all loose so you can get photos underneath them. Here we've got a belly band with a 6x8 booklet in there. Super simple. I probably could have gotten two booklets in here. It's loose enough. There's enough space. Once I get pictures in this, maybe not so much, but possibly. This is, again, one of the stickers from the This and That sticker sheet that is in the paper collection. Over here, we've got another layout with 4x6 pictures and chit-chat pieces and this cute little flower from the Bits and Pieces. Here, I've got a pocket flap and the little notebook pages and the tags from the Bits and Pieces pack. I've got a sticker from the This and That sheet here, and another one of the This and That sheet stickers back here. The diagonal pocket here, I've got icons. So from the icon sticker sheet, this is from the Chit Chat, and I did use the 6x6 pad for the matting on this piece as well. On the back here, we've got a little flip. So I've got one of the cut aparts and then a border strip that just kind of mimicked the background paper there. And I did not mat this because once pictures get on this, it will get bulkier, and I didn't want to make it bulky right off the bat by matting the whole thing. So it is unmatted on the inside, and I am bow challenged, as I'm sure most of you know by now. And then here we've just got stacked pockets. This is, of course, a big pocket back behind. I just didn't put anything in it. And then again, chit chat, odds and ends, to finish it off. So there you go. It's just the prettiest paper and really a fun one to work with because it's got some really fun little elements, and I have got a ton of odds and ends and things left. So to do this, it took one 12x12 paper collection, so the 12 prints, and then the This and That sticker sheet, because you can see I used 4 of the big stickers off of this one. Ended up not using any of the borders, which really surprised me because normally I do. As far as the pattern paper goes, this is what I've got left after matting everything in here. I did also use a 6x6 pad, so like this print is 6x6. I matted the 6x6 in a couple of other places inside the book. So that would be another thing. And then odds and ends, chit chat, and bits and pieces sets. 2 doodle pops. I've got the ship doodle, the little sailboat doodle pop here, and then the palm tree one. Those are totally optional. Same thing with the mini icons. Those are optional. The icon stickers are optional. Get the puffy stickers. The puffy stickers are fabulous on this collection. I can't even tell you. I used a ton of them and I absolutely love them. They are so fun. This was actually the first collection they did that had puffy stickers. So yeah, there you go. There is my album. I am going to get to editing the tutorial tonight, and hopefully we'll have that up tomorrow. It would have been today, except I had to redo this piece because I had no sound. Yay! So, as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time.